This is a quick tutorial on using Google Docs for Grace Brethren, and as the accreditation process continues, we're going to be using Google Docs a little bit more, and so I wanted to give a quick outline of how we're going to be using those just with one sample document. From your typical mail page here, you can choose this menu item called Drive. When you click on it, you get another tab in Firefox if you're set up for that. Some of you may get a pop-up window that's different. Here I have in my Drive a certain amount of documents. Today it's only one, and I can also create new documents. So if I click on this Create tab, I can create a Word document, I can create a spreadsheet, these types of items. I can also upload different documents here, different spreadsheets if they're formatted properly. But for now, this is the accreditation data needed document. It's a spreadsheet, and if I click on it, again in my Firefox, it opens up a new tab, and here are all the resources that we need in the far left hand column. The person responsible for collecting those is here in this second B column, and in C it's when I receive those. You don't have to save Google Documents, so all I have to do is type in here, for instance in preschool I can type in Julia, and as soon as I hit return, you'll notice right up here it says all changes saved. It changes those things automatically and saves them automatically. If I wanted to rename this to something else, I can click on File, and it gives me some more options, including here Rename. So if you create a new document, it'll say up here Untitled Document, and then you can come in here and rename it. As far as sharing options, you can change that as you move forward. We're not going to worry about that right now because this is a, well, why don't we do it? Why not? If you click up here into Share, I can click on Share, and it will give me these options here as far as how I want to share this. And right now, it's set for Grace Brethren schools, and I can click on Change. I don't want it public to everyone. I don't want it to anyone with a link. I'm just going to actually set it up to anybody in Grace Brethren schools. I could restrict this, so if I only wanted administrators to see it, I could click on this and add certain people to the list. But for now, most of the documents will be open to anybody at Grace Brethren schools. And if you're creating a new document for your section group to work in, it'd be great if you had it open to everybody. That way, at least I could pick it up and look at it if we needed to. I'm going to save my changes even though I didn't make any, and I'm done. At any rate, that's how we're going to use Google Documents. I encourage the section leaders to use those with their groups. That way they can edit documents as they move along. Thank you for your time, and enjoy.